Hey man, hey, this is right in time. These are right in time for Halloween. These are right in time for Halloween. Happy Halloween, y'all, for real. But we definitely need to check these out right now. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Nefra. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you're having a very, very blessed day. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, as you can tell from my shirt, and the reason why you clicked on today's video is because I'm bringing you guys another sneaker review. Now, for today's sneaker that we're taking a look at today is a Nike Dunk. The brand we're looking at is, of course, Nike, like I just said. So the sneaker that we're looking at today is women's, and the colorway is orange. And really quick as well, happy Halloween to everybody. If you celebrate it, that's cool. If you don't, that's cool as well. I just want to say happy Halloween because I kind of feel like this colorway pays tribute to Halloween. So with that said though, today we're gonna be taking a look at the Nike Dunk Low women's cracked orange. And looking at the shoe from official pictures, I honestly like it, but when I actually went down to pick them up and saw them in hand, I was like, oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna be ordering these to the house, and they actually got here today. So with all of that said, we're gonna be taking a look at these right now. But before I go ahead and do, I just wanna go ahead and give you guys your proper kudos and just let you guys how much I greatly appreciate you guys so much. Let's go. All right, first and foremost, guys, thank you so much for the love and the support that you've been showing me, the kid. It greatly, you know, it means a lot. It means a lot. Y'all do so much. It got me speechless right here, literally stuttering. But if this is your first time checking out any of the channel, any of the videos, I greatly appreciate you. Definitely go ahead and hit that like as well as subscribe. Also comment down below because I like for you guys to engage with the channel. It means just a lot to me, seriously. Also as well, if you want to be featured in the comments like you see right here, all you gotta do is comment down below and just let me know anything that's going on with your day, how you feel about the video, for a chance for you to see yourself right here. So seriously, go ahead and comment down below because I greatly do appreciate that, no exaggeration. Moving forward with the video, like I did go ahead and said, we are going to be taking a look at these Nike Dunk Low cracked oranges. But before I do, I always like to be color coordinated with the product that I'm reviewing. So the product colorway is predominantly orange, so I'm gonna get my matching headband on to kind of match with that right here, throw this on, and then we can be taking a look at these babies together. Let's get it. All right, here we go. Right there, we do go ahead and got our headband on. As you can see, you know, today's October 31st was Halloween, so you know we had to go Halloween themed right here. So let's get straight away into it. So as you can see right here, if I can find my knife, I don't even know where I put it at. Okay, I found it. So like I was saying, as you can see, we are looking at the Nike Dunk Low cracked orange. Retail price for these was $120. This is a women's release. However though, if you're like me and you can get away with fitting into some of the sizes, you can get away with it. I got a 10.5, so let me just go ahead and open up the box right here. I went ahead and ordered these from Undefeated, and here we go right there, Nike Women's Dunk Low Light Boom, but the other word is called cracked orange. So we're gonna go ahead and, as you guys can see right there, take a look at the description of the sizing. I'm gonna read this for you guys right here. So the sizing does say Women's Nike Dunk Low Light Bone Safety Orange. I did go ahead and get a 12 in women's, which if you do the conversions is a 10.5 in men. And I did go ahead and see the SKU code is F9. Excuse me, yeah, FN 7773001. And if you look on the top left right there, you'll see an Undefeated sticker because this is where I did go ahead and order it from. So let's go ahead and pan it for you guys as we can go ahead and see right there. As we go ahead and do that, we're gonna look at it in 3, 2, and 1. As you peel up the box right here, nothing crazy. You just go ahead and get your regular tissue paper like comes in most of your standard dunks. And then as we push back the tissue paper, as you can see, we get 3, 2, and 1. Bang, here we go. Right there, we get the Nike Dunk Low. Yo, this is super glossy. These are extremely, extremely glossy. But here we go right there. The Nike Dunk Low and the cracked orange colorway. Like I said, honestly, if you see the title, I said it's perfect for Halloween. And honestly, this goes perfectly for Halloween, which is why your boy's reviewing them for Halloween. But let's go ahead and take out, that was the left. Let's go ahead and take out the right here. Let's put it up and let's take a look at it together. Okay, boom, here we go. Right there, we got the Nike Dunk Low cracked orange or light bone or safety orange, whatever colorways, however you want to say it, floats your boat. I'm going with safety cracked orange, excuse me. So let's go ahead and look at the right here. Kind of feel like the right kind of hits more. Bro, there's a lot of detail with this, even with the insole. Okay, starting from the outsole here, you get like a translucent orange outsole, and if you kind of look carefully, it kind of has like green like dots in there. Look kind of closely. I hope you kind of see that. I hope it makes out good in the camera. As you look in the front right here, it has your Nike logo right there, which is also done in your translucent, which is really nice. Then as you come up to the midsole right here, you have an all white midsole that goes all the way around. Man, the light on these are really making these things pop. Then as you come up, you get hit with more on the side panels. It's like a cracked, what's the word? I can't think of it off the top of my head right now. It's like a cracked, I am drawing a blank. Oh my gosh, yeah, I'm drawing a blank. But you get more of your cracked material right there, and then you go ahead and get hit with your swoosh right there, which is done kind of like in this cracked material, which is nice right there. As we come up looking at the back right here, patent leather, that's what it was, I just remembered. So you get hit with more of your cracked patent leather, and then as you come up right there, you do get your Nike stitch right there. Coming up to the front, you get hit with the toe box right there. Nice white toe box, kind of has like a, I guess you could say, not a suede, but more of like a rough texture to it. As you come up, you get hit with your orange laces, then you get hit with your orange tag right there, and then as you look up in the back, it kind of has like a, I'm gonna actually stand up for this one. If you look up in the back, it kind of has like a cracked little detail, like webbing a little bit. Let's go ahead and take out the shoe tree right here. And these are nice, man. I ain't gonna lie, these are definitely nice. Sadly, they didn't have extended sizes because I definitely would have got a 12.5, but it's all good, I can still fit 10.5. As we come in, look inside as well, you get more of, you see the insole right there, it kind of has like that cracked texture to it, design right there, then you have your Nike logo right there, and then you come up to the shoe as well, and you look all around it, and just continues going. So, honestly, these are really nice. I like them a lot. These pay great tribute, in my honest opinion, to Halloween. Like I said, it's right in time for Halloween, so I'm glad I was able to go ahead and review these. I have these, definitely will be putting these on. I might throw these on for real today. These might be the move for today's kick of the day. But here we go right there, guys. This is the Nike Dunk Low Women's Cracked Orange. Let me know what you think about them, like for real. I greatly do appreciate all the love and support. It seems like just so much. I love this year, I love the Halloween theme. We got like an Air Force One theme, we got these. Oh, not too long ago as well, this morning I dropped over by Cowtown, and Cowtown was doing like a trick-or-treat special thing. It was like if you show up, you have a chance to win something. Check me out, hold on. Okay, real quick, little story, different story, but this is what I was able to go ahead and pick up today for Halloween over at Cowtown. And this will be for another separate review, but this is what I just wanted to go ahead and just show you guys as well. We'll be looking at these together very shortly, very shortly. But going back on track though, yes, let me know what you think about the Nike Dunk Low Cracked Orange, y'all. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is gonna be the review over the Nike Dunk Low Cracked Orange. Please comment down below, let me know what you guys think about these. Really quick, I'm gonna break away to an on-feet review, but before I do, I just wanna show you guys more perspective of these cracked oranges. That way, if you're on the fence of wanting to go ahead and buy them, then this review can help you with assisting your purchase. So check it out. We got the orange hits, we got the white. Honestly, these kind of remind me just a little bit, not exactly. Do you remember of the Syracuse dunks that dropped back in the day? They remind me with that, just a little bit more, obviously, different textures, different materials. And of course, the color is a little bit more of a darker orange than more of a brighter orange, in my honest opinion though. But like I said, this is perfect. The women are gonna go crazy for them. If you can fit into the 10.5, it's definitely something that you should pick up. It's nice. Retail was $120. And you can find these pretty much. I know Undefeated has them. I think Nike has them. I don't know what the sizes are, but these aren't that bad in size as far as trying to find them though. But like I said though, do comment down below and let me know what you think about these cracked oranges, y'all. Okay, y'all, this is gonna be the end of the video. I greatly appreciate you guys so much. Let me know what you think about the Nike Dunk Low Cracked Orange, remember, there's only ever gonna be one you, so be the best you. Also as well, do go ahead and comment down below. That way you have a chance of seeing yourself featured in one of the my future videos, because I greatly do want to get you guys sheen for that, seriously. And until next time, I'll catch y'all in the next video. The on feet review is coming up right now. So this has been the review of the cracked orange. And until next time, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
Gems with the heat.